Mentang si bang ba kejelau Conrad kesang ma lapan pena Paidbah ba kandon ke Shuti Lashai ke ski nengkong ke apro tarik unai tung aja penreu kum si benta ban Ailad i sama pulih Skul bat college bakin Peit World Cup menta ke mit hapdeng ke Argentina bat ke Spain kani kalau haden bau drang ba ausaki ya ke jingwan tu ki Paidbah hak CM fan pak ke belaubu hapelo hakini gisngi ya kani ula Pynbna mentaka sgi hak bediu sigi Paidbah jong ke jela kumta barok ke school bagi colleges kin kang Lashai ke sgi nengkong ke apro tarik unai tung aja penri.
Hi everyone. I have some good news, especially for our football lovers. Apart from the fact that Spain and Argentina have made it to the finals, and also the wonderful response we got for the CM fan park, I would like to inform all of you that I have decided that tomorrow, Monday, will be a holiday for all educational institutions, including schools and colleges. As we know, that football is a passion and is a way of life in our state. And in order to allow our youngsters to truly enjoy it, we have come to this decision. Enjoy the finals and wish you all the very best. Thank you.